Hi, so you've been searching for AirPods to buy. You're probably an Apple user, iPhone user who has been sitting on the fence wondering, should I get these AirPods or not? Are they worth the price? Are they worth the hype? Well, my answer is yes, do get the AirPods, especially today, because you can get it at $20 off on Amazon. Now, I'm going to answer all the reasons why you need to get the AirPods, plus the most frequently asked questions coming up next.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Cyber Reviews. Now if you're new to my channel, I do mobile phone reviews, mobile app reviews, and I bring to you affordable gadget reviews to help you make an informed decision whenever you need to make a purchase. Now I consider myself to be a bit of an audiophile. I have the JBL Charge 3 Bluetooth speaker. I have earphones by Samsung, Samsung AKG earphones that when you buy your Samsung phone comes with them. And then I have these guys, mini AirPods. Well, technically they are not AirPods. They are the standard earphones that you get when you purchase your iPhone. Now I also have wireless earbuds by different companies, okay, because I consider myself to be a bit of an audiophile. I really like listening to good music and I always want it at the best audio quality, and I really like portable audio. Now here are my reasons why you need to get an AirPod, and the AirPods I'm talking about are not AirPods Pro. You can get AirPods Pro if you have the budget for it, but today on Amazon, what used to sell for $159, almost $160, is selling for $139, and that is the second generation of the regular AirPods released in 2019 of April. Now these ones have the H1 chip, which means faster charging speeds, better connectivity, longer lasting batteries. Okay, so typically now you can listen like 24 hours with the charging case included, but with your regular AirPods you can listen to music for about 3 hours continuously. But when you put in the charging case fully charged, you can continue listening to music for about 24 hours once the charging case is fully charged, and that is a really great stuff. Now when it comes to earbuds, okay, everybody is concerned about things like portability, the quality of sound, is it waterproof, is it compatible with other devices and other platforms? So let's answer those questions. First of all, you can use your AirPods with your laptop, you can use it with your Android device, and you can use it with all manner of Apple products, be it iPads, MacBooks, or your iPhones. Now, AirPods Pro are waterproof, okay, but the regular AirPods are not. AirPods Pro fits better in the ear than the regular AirPods, but if they do fit in your ear, you are going to get a great audio experience. Now the audio quality may not be like something that you're going to get when you have on-ear headphones, but then they are really good as well. And for the price, there's a feature of AirPods that really blows me away, something that I really like that I haven't seen in any other wireless earbuds I use, whether the Soundpeats or the QCY. I haven't seen it anywhere, and it's the ability to actually track your earbuds. These things are very portable. You can sit in an Uber and it might fall out of your pocket, or you might leave it somewhere you can't find it, or someone might actually steal it. Okay, but with the AirPods, you can actually track it if it comes online. So anytime somebody tries to pair it, you can actually see the location, the device, or the person pairing it, and all that, where last it was found and all that. So I think that's a really great feature, which is similar to like when you have an iPhone which is lost, you can go to Find My iPhone and then you can track it. So you can actually track your AirPods, and that is a really great feature. If for nothing at all, I think that is a very compelling reason why you should consider getting yourself an AirPods. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below for where you can get the AirPods at the best price, especially on Amazon. So make sure to check the description below. And if you are new to my channel, please hit on the subscribe button, turn on all notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks, baby.